what should I do if I get breached? So if you're breached, it's recommended you follow the 4 phases of the incident response lifecycle, with the first phase being preparation. That's making sure you have an experienced incident response team. Phase 2 is detection and analysis. Determine how widespread that breach is, and then what is the root cause. Phase 3 is containment, eradication, and recovery. You want to stop the breach from spreading any further. You then want to remove that threat from the environment and then go back to business as usual. And then finally, phase 4, post-incident activity. That's doing a really good lessons learned. That's also continuous monitoring, which our team can actually assist with.